What is up, everyone? Daniel here in my new apartment. This is the loft beds that me and Hanson are gonna set up here in a little bit. There's Jackson. Don't need to worry about him. And just a bunch of junk, you know? Gotta go through all this. We do have the game system set up though, that's very important. That was our #1 priority. We got Brian and Dan, the other Daniel's room. We're gonna work on that name issue. This is their master suite, I guess you could call it. This is Jackson and eventually Carl's room. Walk-in closet. Jackson's got a little setup for now until he gets a bed. Here's our room. I'm not gonna bother Hanson here. He's doing a little video editing at the moment. And yeah, we gotta set up our room. It's a mess and very small. Other than that, there's a couple cool amenities that I wanted to show you. Here's the kitchen. And it's whatever, it'll do. But then, you look out this window and, oh, what's that? Is that a pool? Yes, sir. You're right, that's a pool. Right outside our door.
77 or I don't know, something.
Anyway, I mean, we're gonna play a prank on Carl when he gets here. This pin right here is a shocking pin. So we need to figure out how to get Carl to try to use it. What are your ideas?
Have a sign-in sheet. A sign-in sheet for the house dinner.
How does it shock you?
When you press it down, it shocks you.
Do it.
Oh my gosh.
It's not that bad.
Just don't drop it in the salsa.
Are you sure this works?
Oh, maybe.
Oh. Wait. No, I don't know what that was. Okay, you do it yourself.
No, I already did it. It worked. Trust me.
Look, move in packet.
Should we all sign our names on it?
Yeah, we should.
We'll sign underneath here where it says your rent will be per month.
It's
Hey, Carl.
Hey!
Carl.
What's up, man? Welcome to the feast.
Welcome to the vlog.
It's for the rent. He just wants to make sure we know that we're paying.
Press it harder. Come on, you guys.
You gotta twist it in and then press it. Is it one of the, is it a twist and press? Dang it.
Wait, did it even work?
Wait, is this your pen, Hanson?
The prank didn't work, guys. We tried, but it didn't work.
Darn it, man.
It got me last night.
Oh, got you.
Guys,
Yeah.
I honestly can't feel anything when I do that.
Yeah.
Oh,
well,
shoot.
It's another beautiful day in Southern California. I'm about to head to LA actually with Hanson. We're gonna go meet up with one of his friends from San Diego. Let's head out.
oh.
We're headed to LA now to pick up Hanson's friend Philip, and we're gonna head to a really cool food court, and we're gonna also, if we can get in, try to get to a rooftop bar.
Yeah.
That is the agenda for tonight. If we can do all that in a few hours, we'll be doing just fine. When you go to LA at the right time, even on a Friday night, if you time it correctly, you don't have to deal with all this traffic. Look what we got going on here. This is nothing.
To leave at 7.
Say what's up, Philip.
What's up?
Alright guys, we made it to downtown LA. We're gonna go to the Grand Central Market now and see what kind of food they have in there. But we finally got our food. So I decided to get the seafood fish stew instead of the paella. It looks really good. Hanson's got 2 tacos. What's on the tacos?
Yeah, octopus and shrimp.
Octopus and shrimp tacos. Philip, you got a torta, right?
I got a torta cubano.
Okay, so it's like a Cuban sandwich?
Cuban sandwich.
Okay. So we just finished up at the market. It was really good. And we're here in downtown LA. Just hanging out. We're gonna go to a bar. Try to find a bar.
Glad they don't have the heaters on.
Why would they? Glad they don't.
Boys?
Video?
Yep. We're back in the car now. We had an awesome time at the Intercontinental Hotel, and we went to the rooftop bar up there. It's actually the tallest rooftop bar in the Western Hemisphere, 73 floors. We enjoyed a beer up there. Now we're headed back to the apartment in Irvine. What'd you think of tonight?
It's fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, Philip keeps saying it's fun, so it must have been fun.
It must have been fun if Philip's saying it's fun. So that's our final conclusion. It was fun.
Yeah, and
it was a blast.
You know, great view.
Great view.
If only I could fly, it would have been even better, but
thank God he didn't do that. We're all intact still.
good beer.
Good beer. Good times. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for more videos.